Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this we will need a cable that is plugged into your computer, and for now just have it ready on the side. Next we're going to turn off our device. Now once the device is off, you want to hold your power button and volume up. Once you start holding those two buttons, you will then immediately plug it in. So I'm gonna start holding it right about now, plug it in. When you see the Samsung Galaxy, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. We can unplug our cable, and then using volume buttons we can navigate in order to select wipe cache partition and confirm it with the power button. Select yes, and then we're just going to confirm it by pressing power button once again, because it has finished wiping cache, and it did select reboot system now by default, so confirming that so we can get back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.